What's happening here, Maria? Is it someone's birthday?
Just a small dinner for 12.
13. Who did this?
Dad invited me.
Didn't say a word. Typical. Well, I am not having 13 at my table. It is bad luck. I need another woman.
Madame, I am the maid.
We're not going to tell him you're the maid.
I am unable to lie.
No, it's okay. All women can lie. It's all about smiling.
Like this.
You shine. I'm David Morgan.
I am Maria.
No second name?
No, not tonight.
Don't speak too much.
You look like Hugh Grant.
Don't drink too much.
Let me help.
I like to pour water on myself so women come and help me. A gift for you.
It's a mess. She is seeing him, Bob.
Oh my God!
It's like a slow motion car crash. Could he be in love with her? Is that possible?
Well, admit it, she's got a great ass.
Oh, Bob.
I cannot mix with these people. I can't.
This is not your world. You're playing out of your league.
He loves me, madame.
She beguiles me.
I think we should tell David the truth.
Don't. I need the money.
I felt something when he looked at me.
The thing you felt inside was drunk.
I am a woman, not a maid. I'm worth as much as madame. I have a simple desire. To be happy.